Mining isn't digging for coins. It's how Bitcoin locks truth into history. Forget the mental image of a digital pickaxe striking gold. That's not what's happening. At its core, Bitcoin mining is a security process. It performs three essential jobs. First, it orders transactions. Second, it seals them into blocks. And third, it protects the network's rules. Orders, seals, and protects. But Bitcoin has no CEO, no central authority. So with no boss, who decides what the next official block of transactions is? Think of Bitcoin like a public ledger. The next page, the next block, must be added fairly without any one person deciding. Here's how it starts. Transactions from around the world gather in a digital waiting room called the mempool. Miners, specialized computers, then bundle these transactions into a candidate block. But just bundling them isn't enough. The entire network needs a way to instantly check that this new block follows all of Bitcoin's rules. This leads us to Bitcoin's core trick. Make the block incredibly hard to create, but incredibly easy for anyone else to verify. The tool for this job is called hashing. It's like a unique fingerprint machine for digital data. You put the block data in, and a unique string of characters comes out. This digital fingerprint is extremely sensitive. Change one tiny detail in the input, and the entire fingerprint changes completely. Now here's the competition. To win the right to add their block to the chain, a miner's hash must be a very specific kind of rare number. It must fall below a certain target. It's like rolling dice until you hit a near impossible outcome. To do this, miners tweak a special number in the block called the nonce and try again and again and again, billions of times a second. Most of these attempts will fail. That's normal. That constant work is the security. Eventually, a miner finds a valid hash. Block solved. They broadcast it to the network. And remember that core trick? Hard to create, easy to verify. Every other computer on the network can now perform a fast check. They verify the rules, the signatures, and the proof of work. If it passes, the block locks into the chain, permanently linked to the one before it. So what stops someone from rewriting history? To alter a past block, an attacker would have to redo all that computational work and then outrun the entire honest network, which is constantly moving forward. The cost explodes. That energy expenditure is the security wall. The cost makes attacks prohibitively expensive, so that energy isn't for nothing. It serves as a budget for network protection. Miners are paid for securing the network through a reward of new Bitcoin plus transaction fees. Those fees also help decide which transactions get included first. The whole system is self-balancing. Bitcoin automatically adjusts the difficulty to keep blocks arriving on a steady rhythm. And because winning is so rare, most miners join pools to smooth their income and share rewards. So that's mining, a competition to produce a proof of work that's hard to create but easy for everyone else to check. This process is why Bitcoin can run without permission and still stay honest. It's a system of rules, not rulers. Bitcoin mining seals the ledger, making truth expensive to fake.